A new dimension of stowage space. 420 litres of stowage capacity for zero space problems. All cab variants with a flat floor incorporate 1 or 2 stowage compartments, which are accessible from inside and outside. The external stowage compartment flaps can be opened by means of the unlocking button in the door frame. They're designed so as to accommodate even large drinks crates. The stowage compartments are illuminated inside and have a capacity of up to 420 litres. Two movable and removable stowage trays are available for a more effectively organised interior and to enable the storage of smaller items.